Your AI agent demo works perfectly. Then you try to ship it. Building an agent loop is easy. Tool execution, a while loop, some branching logic. But making it production ready? That's where dreams go to die. Anthropic launched Managed Agents in April 26. A pre-built agent harness in their cloud. You bring the model, the system prompt, the tools. They handle everything else. 3 pieces. The brain, Claude plus the reasoning harness. The hands, sandboxes that run your code and commands. The session, an external log of everything that happened. Each piece is replaceable. Each piece is independent. Early agent systems put everything in one container. Brain, hands, session, credentials, all together. When the container crashed, you lost everything. When it froze, you had to nurse it back to health. They called it the pet problem. Anthropic's fix: separate the brain from the hands. The brain runs as a stateless harness. The hands are just tools: execute a name and input, get a string back. The session sits outside both. If a container dies, the brain catches it as a tool error and retries with a fresh one. No more nursing servers back to health. Here's why this matters for security. In a coupled system, a prompt injection could read credentials from the same container. In this design, credentials are bundled during initialization. GIT tokens, OAuth tokens, wired into the sandbox. But Claude's generated code never sees them. Claude calls the tool. The tool uses the token. The token is invisible. Decoupling didn't just fix reliability. It crushed latency. Time to first token dropped 60%. P95 latency dropped over 90%. Why? The brain starts thinking immediately. The hands are only provisioned when a tool actually needs them. If your session doesn't need code execution, it never waits for a container. One more shift, one brain, many hands. Claude can now reason across multiple execution environments. Each sandbox is just a tool, a name and input in, a result out. No hand is coupled to any brain. And brains can pass hands to other brains. Workload distribution, capability-based routing, all at architecture level. Long horizon tasks overflow the context window. The old fix: compaction, summarization, selective deletion. The problem: you throw away tokens you might need later. Managed Agent stores context durably in the session log. When the context window fills, the brain rewinds. Pick up from wherever it last stopped reading. Tasks that run for hours, finally possible. With all 3 pieces decoupled, secured, and scaled, a research agent that survives for weeks. A coding agent that scales to your whole team. An ops agent that handles production incidents autonomously. Agents that recover from failures, stay secure, and scale elastically. No custom infrastructure. No agent loop to build from scratch. Managed Agents isn't just a hosted service. It's a blueprint for agents that survive production. The same way operating systems decoupled software from hardware, this architecture decouples reasoning from execution. The question isn't whether agents can work in production. It's what software looks like when agents are part of the team. That story is still being written.